Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to find hidden apps on iPhone. To start this tutorial, look for any application that you want to hide. For example, GarageBand. For now, let's move it to our home screen. You can do that by long pressing and then moving it over here. Now, once you already have that application out there, long press once again, and then click on Remove App. And here, there will be an option that says Remove from Home Screen. Just tap on it. Once you do that, look for the searches once again. As an example, try to be looking for GarageBand. As you can see over here, it should be located under letter G, as it says GarageBand. You can find it in here instead, but then on the home screen, you can't. So that's one way to find or hide apps on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.